Hello class, this is the spelling list for March 15th, 2018 for List 1. First, please make sure you have selected your name from the list. After you hear the word, pause the video so you can type it. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1, day, day. It is a sunny day. Number 2, hour, hour. Did you see our house? Number 3, sail, sail. The boat had a big white sail. Number 4, mail, mail. You have some mail. Number 5, took, took. The squirrel took the acorn. Number 6, play, play. I want to play kickball. Number 7, rain, rain. The rain is stopping. Number 8, hood, hood. My father closed the hood of the car. Number 9, nail, nail. My mother hammered the nail into the wall. Number 10, way, way. Let's go this way. Those are the spelling words for this week. Great job, everybody. See you next time.